Hi, Jay Miller here for PawnSnap. In this video, we're going to walk through creating a new pawn. First, click on the Pawn button. On this screen, you will find and select your customer. Double-click to select your customer. This shows the rate that will be used to calculate the interest and charges. This shows the duration of the loan. And this shows the date the loan starts. Now click on the Add Item button. Type in the amount you want to loan. Select the item category and item type. And also enter any additional information required. To add a photo of the item, click the Picture button. You can add multiple photos from your computer or from a webcam. When you're done, click the Quick Checkout button to print your pawn ticket and pawn labels. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.